Today's video is one of the most important videos that I've ever done. I'm going to be talking about pain in this particular video. Yes, about pain. Now I know many of you, when you hear this word itself, you don't want to further listen to this video. I know throughout our lives at different points of time, we have experienced and undergone immense pain. Let's take from our childhood the first moment when you expected something from your father and mother and they did not get you what you want. You had pain. You wanted to be included in your friends group and they ignored you and they did not want you to be part of that group. That caused a lot of pain. Maybe your family compared you with your brothers and sisters, and that at different points of time caused a lot of pain inside of you. When you were going through your adolescent age, when you had your first love and it did not go the way you want, you had intense, immense pain through that process. Or as you grew up, you wanted to be part of NCC, you wanted to be part of a college club, and they did not include you as part of it. There could have been pains that you have gone through. You got your first job, your first salary designations. Maybe it was not the way you wanted to be. Therefore, it caused a lot of pain for you. Now, even the work that you're doing right now, you're not getting the recognition and the support that you require for all the efforts that you've been putting, and I know that can cause pain for you. In your family, you might be doing a lot of work. Maybe they're not acknowledging and rewarding you the way it's supposed to be done, and it can cause a lot of pain inside of us. Now, what do we understand from this? Pain is something which is part of our life, right from the time you are born till the time of death. Pain is something that you cannot separate away from your life. Pain travels with us throughout our entire lives. Then what should we do with this pain? Can I just shut my eyes or put a hand in front of me and then act as though this pain does not exist in my life? Now, we all know that answer is not something that is going to give you the result that you want in your life. Then how should I handle this pain, Ganesh? There is a beautiful way. There are many ways to handle it, but one technique that I'm going to be teaching you in this particular video is one powerful technique. Now understand this, the pain that you have experienced in your life, each one of it has an energy, has a power. Now maybe they are working in the negative way and they're not supporting you at this point of time. All of us as human beings have an ability to convert this negative pain into a force that can help you to get the motivation to get the job done. Now go and look back at the pains that you experienced in your life. If you are able to process that pain in the right way, it will give you the motivation to move forward. For example, I remember all the work that I'm doing right now in terms of training, in terms of the books that I write, the videos that I do, leaving my corporate career and getting into this training space is because I want to make a difference in people's life. I want to make a transformation in people's life. Even though I go through a lot of difficulties and challenges in each step, what keeps me really going is also a pain that I experienced right at my childhood. I remember one of the incidents where I was sitting with my very close relatives and we were having a conversation. In that particular conversation, I was talking about how I want to make a difference, right? I was very, very young. I was very raw. And I had a conversation and I was saying that I want to make a difference to this world. I will transform lots of people. And I clearly remember that my relative laughed at me and then she said, you can't do all the transformations, Ganesh. It is impossible. Just focus on your life. Just focus on your family. Yeah, that's good enough. And that caused a lot of pain. How can he say that? Why would he say that? Because I came from a very raw space. I was very emotional. I really wanted to make a difference. I took that as a challenge. What he said could not be done. I said, I want to do it. I want to make a difference in people's life. And from that day onwards, I actually expanded my view. I started looking beyond me, beyond my family, and I really wanted to make a difference in all people's life. And that has led me to leave a corporate job which was very comfortable to go on a journey where I was discovering myself. The more I wanted to help people, the more I got helped actually. So there are so many pains that we experience in our life, my dear friends. If instead of just ignoring that pain, if you develop the ability to look at the pain in the eye, bring it in front of you, look in it and find that motivation that will help you, that will empower you to do the work that is required so that you can get the results that you want in your life. My dear friends, enough of avoiding pains in our life. You have the ability to convert that into great achievements. all those people who have succeeded and have reached great heights in their life are people who made their biggest pain as the biggest success that they experience in our life. And you can also do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really loved it, I wanted to share this video and let it reach so many people and help them to dissolve their pains.